Ever felt like you're missing out on something amazing? Like, you see all these cool AI tools everyone's talking about, but yours just isn't playing ball? Frustrating, right? Today, we're diving deep into why Gemini might not be working for you. We'll uncover the most common culprits and hopefully get you back on track to experiencing the future of AI. Now, before we jump in, let's quickly recap what Gemini actually is. In essence, it's Google's latest and greatest AI model. Think of it as the brainchild of years of research, designed to understand and generate human language in ways never seen before. It can write stories, compose music, answer your questions with incredible detail, and even help you code. Seriously impressive stuff. But here's the catch: not everyone has access to Gemini right now. You might be scratching your head, wondering why. Well, there are a few key reasons why you might be seeing that dreaded, "not supported" message. Reason 1, your account location. Gemini is currently being rolled out in phases. Depending on where you're located, it might not be available yet. Google is gradually expanding access to more regions, so keep an eye out for updates. Reason 2, account type. The type of Google account you have can also play a role. Some accounts, like those associated with schools or businesses, might have restrictions on AI access. Reason 3, account status. If your Google account has any restrictions or limitations, it could prevent you from using Gemini. This could include things like violations of Google's terms of service or security concerns. Reason 4, technical limitations. Sometimes, technical glitches or device compatibility issues can hinder Gemini's functionality. Reason 5, early access programs. Gemini might be part of an early access program with limited availability. If you're not part of this program, you won't have access yet. Okay, so you've identified the potential roadblock. Now what? Here's how to troubleshoot and hopefully get Gemini up and running. Check your account settings. Review your Google account settings to ensure there are no restrictions or limitations. Update your Google apps. Make sure you have the latest versions of Google Apps installed on your devices. Contact Google support. If you've tried everything and are still facing issues, reach out to Google support for assistance. They can help diagnose the problem and provide specific solutions. Stay informed. Keep an eye on Google's official channels for updates on Gemini's availability and any changes to its accessibility. Don't worry, you're not alone in this. Many people are eager to experience the power of Gemini. While it might not be available for you right now, Google is constantly working to expand access and improve the overall user experience. In the meantime, why not explore some of the other amazing AI tools available? There are plenty of other AI models and applications out there that can help you with tasks like writing, summarizing, and even creating art. So, there you have it. Hopefully, this video has shed some light on why you might not be able to access Gemini and provided some helpful steps to troubleshoot the issue. Remember, the world of AI is constantly evolving, so stay curious and keep exploring the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.